Hi, good morning everyone. This is our group project, and first of all, I have to introduce my team members. We are me, Vishal, Rakshit Deswal, Gursharan Singh, and Patel Hatindra Bhai Patel. So, the easiest way to get started is go to the Canva homepage, and here's the search bar, and we have to go there and search for our website, and then take an enter. So here you see there are lots of templates available for us to use, and you can search the templates and different styles on here. So there are many templates we can go with. So I'm going to choose one from this today. And anything with the crown on it, it's only for pro users, but the other else we can all use that. So we're gonna use one template from this today. I'm going to select this, trust yourself, and so I'm gonna choose another one with the healthcare. So open the healthcare search. There are lots of available templates. I'm gonna use this one. So when you double click on it, it opens for you in a new tab, and everything here is editable. You can see we can click on it and we can edit these tabs. You can drag the photos here and you can upload your own photos from here, browse from your computer, design, use the element, you can use text and all these things here. So just need to change the text or size. Like for this I gonna edit this, I gonna bold this, italicize, you know what we are doing, right? So the whole gonna change its whole template as per your instructions. So you can upload a picture as well in this template. So I like the layout of many pages, but I don't like the layout of this one, so I'm gonna search it again. So that's everything that how we create our web page using the tool Canva. I hope you're gonna learn these steps and you can create your own website now. So thank you everyone for watching this. Thank you so much.